it doesn't have to be 30,000, but they have to prove that it's systematic and it's sabi sa press conference.
Yes, but you have to prove that there were 30,000 victims. So how can you prove systematic killing of 30,000 victims if you do not have the names of 30,000 victims? So, really, truly, wala naman kaming magawa sa media, pero nakikita ko talaga sa lahat ng articles, war on drugs, killing thousands, and yet we have 181 pieces of evidence. And we don't even have victims. 43 counts of murder, not even 50. So where